Ayo, what's going on? Canadian Vapor back on the mic. Today is a new day, guys. I'm still in the same place as I was the other day. It's still the same day that I uploaded. Can you believe that? The internet is just so fast here. It's amazing. You know, we can run 2 Xboxes, 3 Xboxes. I can be uploading a video while they're playing Xbox, and this is still too bright for my liking. So I uploaded back to back today, 2 videos. I uploaded one on my main channel, one on my vape channel, and like 12-15 minutes for the vape one, and like I think like 50 minutes or something for my main channel, because it was like almost 20 minutes long, but that's completely understandable. I mean, back home it's like 2-3, no, it's more like 4 or 5 hours to upload a video. So yesterday I had some struggles with a video. I got copyright claimed twice off a song I've literally used in every video, so I don't understand what's going on with that. So I re-uploaded it twice and I had no luck, so I just left it demonetized, copyrighted. So no big deal, but as you can tell, I'm sitting in a chair. I don't really have a table to use down here, which kind of sucks, but whatever, we're dealing with it. It's probably my last day here, last 2 days. But yeah, anyways, we're coming back at you with a brand new video. So here you guys go. I've had this literally for a while. As you can see, it's like the Neo Chrome, which one I already did was red and black. But I wanted to buy one that was Neo Chrome because I thought it was really cool. And then I wanted to get the TFV12 Prince Rainbow Edition. I've already had one. It's an alright tank. I mean, I would have went back to one, but they didn't have them at Fat Panda, so they gave me a Freemax Fireluke. Take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look. So it's actually pretty well similar to the TFV12 Prince. It's got the wide glass, bottom airflow, cool drip tip. I don't see a difference. Apparently it's got more flavor than the TFV12 Prince because it runs, I think they were saying, stainless steel wire in the cotton instead. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is an absolute beast of a tank, you guys, and that's pretty well what this video is on today. So we're gonna go through it right now nicely, and I can't. I like took apart this tripod to bring it with me, and I don't know why nothing's sitting flat. I think I have the mounts wrong. Definitely got the mounts wrong. But here you guys go, as you can tell, full of juice. I'm using white chocolate chip cookie juice. It's not the best. I can't tell if the juice is bad or if my coil is bad at this point. Couldn't tell you. But I've noticed it leaks sometimes, okay? Which is okay. And in the box, it kind of pissed me off. I didn't go through the box when I bought it, but I did open it and I seen I had a spare coil. So I take the spare coil out while I'm on my trip, and it's actually an RBA. Which kind of is cool, but it's kind of annoying. So when I get home, I'm going to make a video on building on the RBA for this thing. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, so this is, it's got alright flavor, okay? It seems like it's got decent amount of flavor, but I don't know, like I said, if it's my juice or if it's the coil is burnt out. I've literally had it for 1 week. I got it before I went to my trip to Kenora, which is kind of a shame. So I might try a new coil, or I might try a new juice when I get home. I know this one juice that I have really burns up the coil, and the coil rating is actually decent. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, here it is. It's a 0.15 ohm coil. It goes 60 watt to 120. It's a Kenthal wire. So yeah, but when I was told about this tank when I bought it, was it has a lot more flavor than the Prince because of the wire that they use. It kind of made sense to me, and I could have literally just waited till I went on my trip to buy another one or buy a Prince, but I'm probably gonna end up selling it. It's alright, you guys. It's got a lot of airflow. It's got decent amount of airflow, but I noticed like this is a really sloppy airflow. Like a lot of the times it's like difficult to move, you know, like it's like you actually gotta like turn it. This one here, I will put it on the floor, I pick it up and it's already spun closed. I'll go, there's nothing, like it spins on its own when you pull it out of your pocket. It's already spun closed. I noticed that a lot, but besides that, I haven't noticed anything too bad on it, besides the fact that the coil floods really easily, and I don't know if the coil lasts long or if it's my juice, like I told you guys, so I couldn't give you input on that. But the looks is pretty cool. I haven't seen a tank that looks like this. It's almost like a wood grain type of cool effect that's shiny. So yeah, not many people have them, so when I showed my friends them, they're like, oh, like that's pretty sick. But I'm gonna go back to TFV12 prints because I like smock tanks, okay? I like smock products, they're always good, but you know, the TFV8 didn't last that long. So I might have to make the switch over. I know I had a Freemax before and that tank was actually really good for flavor, never leaked. It was a top airflow tank. And I noticed a lot of the times those have better flavor. So yeah, I noticed that with this, that I think the TFV12 print has better flavor. But if you guys want me to do a full-on comparison from this to TFV12 prints, comment down below and smash that like button, because when I go back home, I will scoop one of these up, or maybe even tomorrow I can go buy one, because I am getting paid by YouTube, I believe tomorrow or the next day. So once I get my pay from them, I could run and buy TFV12 prints, because whatever I make, I put back into the channel, which a lot of people don't believe me, but I do. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, because they're very similar tanks, okay? They're just made by different companies. So if you guys would like to see like a smock TFV12 print versus Fireluke Freemax, comment that down below, because I know comparison videos on my channel do really well and a lot of people do like them, and it may help you guys with your purchase, because these are gonna get probably popular, and I know the TFV12 prints is already popular. But another thing aside that I can say right now that I like over the TFV12 prints over this is the quick you know, the quick lid to open up, where this one is you have to screw it, and I do like those ones where you have to screw to open it, but I don't at the same time, because it's just so slow and it takes so much more time. My memory card filled up. But yeah, if you guys want to see that video, let me know. And also saying this is a full review on this vape, I'm gonna read you what's on the back of the box. Okay, so yeah, so the one that is in here right now is the Kentel DVC 0.15 ohm coil, RTA section. We got replacement O-rings, replacement glass, user manual, and gift box. So I'm guessing this is the gift box. I don't know. And it says, the Freemax Fireluke tank is the highest level sub-ohm tank, which have break the glass form of atomizer in the past. Fireluke tank adopts the two-type performance and changeable on fashion glass tube that holds 4 mils and 5 mils of juice. The Fireluke tank is unprecedented and adopts 4 unique engines: Kentel DVC coil, Firelock 0.15 sextuple coil, maybe, I don't know, Firelock 0.15 duodent recoil, and a Firelock RTA, which makes a massive cloud of vapor. So what I'm thinking when I get home is I'm gonna wrap coils for this thing, because that is also kind of cool. You know, wrapping your own coils will save you money and time, because you don't have to go out of your way to buy a coil, you know. So when I get home, you guys expect that video on wrapping the coil, because I really want to try that out. I think that's going to be a really good feature on this vape, just because the airflow is already there and the juice capacity is already there. So if I want to bring out more flavor, I'm going to drop to probably 8 wrap with 22 gauge Kentel wire, which is actually going to provide a lot of vapor. I just got to figure out how big the building base is. I've already looked at it because I thought I was able to change the coil, which I wasn't. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you did enjoy. I'm going live right away. If you guys like me live streaming more often, just let me know down in the comments. This angle is kind of weird. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to drop a thumbs up, comment anything down below. You guys, let's hit, I guess we already did hit 1.3k subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that. Let's hit 2k soon, guys. I'm looking forward to that. So I hope you guys did enjoy my content. You know, I'm trying to come back after daily uploading. It's hard. But if you guys want to see videos, please drop them down below, you guys. I'll do any video idea you tell me to, because, well, of reason. I'm looking for new ideas. So if you guys can drop them down below, that'd be awesome. Turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Alright, so I just woke up literally like probably 2 minutes ago, and this is the latest I've slept in like a month or two. It's already 10 o'clock, so it kind of sucks, but I needed some sleep because I stayed up so late last night. But I live streamed yesterday. I got like 100-ish views in total, so thank you guys so much for that. I know this is the end of the video, it's the next day, it's going up right away, but I'm making a new channel, you guys, for, I guess, I'm just gonna try it. I live streamed yesterday, it turned out really good. I ended up playing Fortnite on it because someone said like put some Fortnite on. So like, okay, so I ended up finding out how to play Fortnite with my computer and my face cam or whatever. So down in the description is gonna be on the top link, like the first link in the description is gonna be where you guys need to click that link and subscribe to that, because I'm gonna live stream Fortnite. If you guys are interested in like watching me stream with my friends and playing Fortnite today, you know, make sure you guys go subscribe to that, because I'm going home tomorrow, and then after that I'm coming back here next week, so I'll be able to stream after the weekend, and I'm gonna try to do it frequently, and if I can't, then I'm sorry. But guys, I need you all to go fucking subscribe to my new channel, because I don't want to stream with no subscribers. I know you guys are strong, and I know you guys will subscribe to my other channel, so please guys, first link in the description. Don't forget. Have a good day. I'll see you guys on my live stream.